Hey folks, it's Matt from the Cultivator Club with a super quick video. You see this box? The box I'm holding? Okay, so it just landed on the front porch. I'm pretty sure it's a Monotub that I ordered off of Amazon about a week and a half ago or so. So we're going to open it up. We're going to see what's inside, and then I'll just give you my general feedback and impressions as we go along. Keep watching. So a little bit of a backstory. I was on Amazon about, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago or so, and I decided to type in Monotub mushrooms just to see what would pop up. And actually, there were a lot of products. Most of them looked really cheap. There were some weird inflatable monotubs. I don't know how that works, but there was one from a company called Grower Select that actually looked pretty good. So I'm hoping that's actually what's inside the box. We're going to find out. I should tell you this box barely weighs anything. Okay. Dang. Oh, dang. All right. Packing material. Don't know if that's needed. All right. Sorry, got to put on the glasses. This is the Magic Kit from Myco Labs. Thanks for purchasing us on Amazon. Nice. Looks like they're associated with Midwest Grow Kits. All right, interesting. Grower Select. It's probably backwards on the camera, but that says Grower Select. It's actually a really nice setup. Give me a second. I've got a tape measure. So this is about 12 and a half inches by, 12 and a half inches, and probably about 12 and a half inches tall. So 12, 12, 12, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, yada, yada, yada. Really well placed fresh air holes, which you would cover when you're doing your initial cultivation. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. Little filter patches to go over those. Let's see if I can figure this out. Yeah, look at that. These are really nice and thick. This almost feels as if it's made out of felt. By the way, there are 4 of those felt little filter patches. And then we've got these plugs. Okay, so for those of you who haven't done a cultivation, you would have your substrate in the bottom portion of this tub. It would colonize. You actually want a little bit of carbon dioxide to build up, so you would put these plugs in. There's 4 of them to actually let carbon dioxide build up until it's fully myceliated. Take the plugs out, and then you would put these little filter patches on there instead, so fresh air can go in and out while trying to keep bacteria and yeast and nasty stuff out. I like the fact that this is black. This does help prevent side pinning to a certain extent. And we have a tub liner. Which looks like it's a garbage bag. Doesn't smell too bad. Okay. This is a complaint on my part. I know a lot of people like to use garbage bags to line their tubs when they're cultivating mushrooms. I do not like that at all. And the reason for that is garbage bags are not food safe. I don't know specifically if this is a food safe bag or not. It does not say anywhere on that. A suggestion to the manufacturer, put a piece of paper in here, something that says food safe liner. That's really important to me, and I really emphasize it with a lot of other mushroom cultivators. The tub is probably polypropylene. Yeah, polypropylene. Polypropylene is food safe, so we're good in that regard. Let's see how this liner goes in there. Yeah, that just looks like a garbage bag. Not a fan of this. On the other hand, this really is about the right depth. So you could get a food safe liner. I would use a turkey bag. You know, those bags that you roast a turkey in. Those are food safe and they can tolerate high temperatures too. Yeah, get the food safe liner in there. Put that on there. That is super tough and durable. Okay. Here's my general impressions. I really like the size. It is bigger than the tubs that my company makes. So it's going to take up more shelf space and more height. Yeah, that is a good size. It's not really a kitchen counter sort of cultivation setup, but still good size. Do not like that liner at all. I would immediately toss that out and get a food safe liner. Again, a turkey bag works great, or hit up a restaurant supply store. They've got all sorts of products that are used at buffet tables. Love these. That's great. Very impressed with these filters patches. These are super thick. These are fantastic. Oh, nice touch. There are, it looks like we have clips or clamps to hold the lid on. There we go. Okay, that fell out, so it definitely needs to be shoved in there tight. Yeah, we've got these little clips right here. Let me see if another one of these would fall out if I turned it on its side. Oh. Yeah, you've got to push it in all the way. All right. I like this. Actually, I really like this. Again, the garbage bag liner really bugs me. I would love to see a piece of paper in here that says something to the effect of all parts made from food safe plastic. That would be fantastic. That would reassure me and a lot of people that I teach mushroom cultivation to. I like the size. It genuinely seems durable. I give it 9 out of 10. I really do. Yeah, this is... Maybe I would make this just a little bit shorter. This is a little tall for my taste. I would want this to be maybe about an inch or two shorter. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, I would have no problems recommending this. In fact, I might just shoot an email to Growers Select and see if I can get a bunch of these on wholesale, because I wouldn't mind sending these out with some kits. Okay, tell you what. I will do a video next week where I actually mix up some substrate, combine it with some colonized grain, and we'll put it into the kit. We'll put it into the bottom itself. So that's for next week. If you want an alert on that video, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. And also don't forget to give the thumbs up. If you're watching this on LinkedIn or Instagram, just give the old thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. Until then, keep on going and keep on growing.